If you have an Audi vehicle that uses an inline fuel filter that looks like this, these are the instructions. It only takes 10 minutes. This is a 2014 Audi TDI SUV. Only start this project after you have parked the vehicle for several hours so that the fuel system is depressurized. There will still be a little bit of fuel leak, so put paper towels on both ends of the fuel filter before you remove the fuel hose. The clamps will slide off easier if you spray the fuel hose with a little bit of lubricant before removing the clamps. After removing the clamps and pulling back the fuel hoses, you simply insert the replacement fuel filter into the original fuel filter mount. Remember, you're working with the fuel system, so make sure no one is smoking nearby, and dispose the old fuel filter accordingly. There's some information suggesting that you might need to reset the vehicle's computer after this installation, but in my experience, that did not appear to be the case. You simply install the new fuel filter, make sure that the arrow is pointed in the right direction, install the fuel hose and clamps, and you're ready to start the vehicle. It will start right up.